Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of Python's turtle module. So in the last part we saw how to move the turtle forward and how to move the turtle backward. So today we will see how to move the turtle in various directions using the Python's turtle left and right methods. Okay, so let's get started with the code. So first we will see what is the default behavior of turtle. So let's first run the program without writing any kind of extra code. So Python 3 movement.py. So as you can see right now our turtle is in the center of canvas and pointing towards the eastward direction. Okay. Now if I move the turtle forward or backward, it will either move in the forward direction, that will be the east side, or it will move backward direction, that will be the west side. But if I want to move the turtle to north or south or maybe in between any angle, so how to do that? That we will see. So let's just close this canvas and first let's understand the first method for it. So there is a method called turtle.left. Now what it do? You will enter any angle inside it and the turtle's face will turn by that angle in the leftward side. So for example, if I say 90 degree and if I run the program, so you can see the face of the turtle turned by 90 degree in the leftward side. So earlier it was facing eastward, now it is facing in the northern direction. Now you can put any angle. For example, if I put 60 degree, so what will happen if I run the program now? Now this has turned by 60 degree in the left side. So right earlier it was facing in the eastward direction, now it is facing somewhere in between north and east. Alright, I can also say 45 degree. So if I say 45 degree, so it will turn the face of the turtle in leftward side by 45 degree. So if I run the program again, so you can see by default what happens, its face is in the eastward direction, but right now it is in between north and east, so we can say in the northeast direction. Okay, so this is the first way of rotating the face of the turtle. Now there is another way which is called right. So I have turtle.left, I can say turtle.right. all right, so inside all this also I can put any angle and it will rotate or it will turn the face of the turtle in the rightward direction by the angle you give as an input. So for example, if I say 90, so it will turn the face of the turtle by 90 degree in the rightward direction. So if I run it, so by default turtle's face is in the eastward direction, now it is in the southward direction because it has moved or it has turned the face by 90 degree in the rightward direction. Now I can again say 45 degree in this also, and if I run the program, now you can see it has turned the face of the turtle by 45 degree in the rightward direction. Okay, so now we know how to move forward, how to move backward, how to turn the face of the turtle. So can we draw a line in upward direction or downward direction? So yes, let's see how do we do that. So if we want to draw a line in the upward direction, so first we need to rotate the face of the turtle into upward direction. So we'll say turtle.left 90. So what it will do? It will rotate the face of the turtle by 90 degree towards upward direction. And now I want to make a movement, so I will say turtle.forward and we can say by 100 pixels. So if I call this method, so you see I have drawn a line in upward direction. I can also do it by using the right method. So instead of saying turtle.left, if I say turtle.right by let's say 45 degree. Okay, so if I run it now, what will happen? The face of the turtle will rotate by 45 degree. So face of the turtle rotate by 45 degree in the rightward direction. So earlier it was in the east, now it is somewhere between south and east, and it has made a movement of 100 pixel. Okay, if I put the angle as more than 90, let's say 135. Okay, so let's see what happens. It has rotated the face of the turtle by 135 degree. So earlier it was pointing toward the eastward direction, now it has gone 135 degree back between west and south. Okay, so this is how you rotate the face of the turtle and this is how you make some movements. Now few things to notice are, first of all, we can make a forward movement by using the forward method, as well as there is another method called FD. So instead of forward, if I say FD, so the same thing will happen. Let's just run the program and see. So you can see forward and FD are the same method. It is just to move forward. Okay. Similarly, to move backward, we have a method called backward. Okay. So if I run it using backward and run the program, so see, first the face of the turtle moved or rotated by 135 degree, whatever was the input, and then there was the backward movement of 100 pixel. But I can say BK instead of backward, and the same thing will happen. So if I run the program again, so backward and BK are similar methods to move backward. Also for back we have another method. To move back we have another method called back. So if I run the program again, so it is, you see, behaving similar to backwards or BK. So you don't need to get confused. There are two ways to move forward, that is forward and FD. There are three ways to move backward, that is backward, BK and back. Okay, now one more thing to notice is what happens if we give negative angles. So let's just stop any kind of movement and let's just focus on left and right methods. So turtle.left by 45 degree but negative. So what will happen? It will behave as turtle.right with 45 degree. Okay, so if I run the program right now, you will see it has moved by 45 degree but not in the left direction but in the right direction, because the angle which we gave was negative. So you can verify it by commenting this and uncommenting turtle.right. So you will see the same output. So see, the same output is there. Okay, now in right also, if I say minus 45 degree, it will behave like turtle.left with 45 degree. So if I just run it, you see, I say turtle.right with minus 45 degree. So it has moved by 45 degree, or it has rotated its face by 45 degree, but in the left side because the angle was negative. To verify it, let's comment it and uncomment turtle.left. Let's first close this and run it again. So right now you can see there is a movement of 45 degree towards left. So the output for turtle.right with negative 45 is equal to turtle.left with 45 degree. Okay, so we have covered all about the movements. We have seen how to move forward with different methods like forward and FD. We have seen how to move backward with backward, BK or back. We have also seen that how we can rotate the face of the turtle leftwards or rightwards using any angle. So if we say left, it will rotate it to anti-clockwise. If we say right, it will rotate the face to clockwise direction. Now in the next video, we'll see how to create a square and how to create a rectangle. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends and do subscribe it if you have not subscribed yet.